Every day, tons of animal waste go unused while farmers still burn firewood and struggle with energy costs. But what if that same waste could fuel your kitchen, power your lights, and fertilize your crops? This isn't science fiction. It's biomass energy, and it is changing the game for smart farming. Welcome to Chijane Agritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Biomass energy is produced by converting organic materials like animal manure into fuel. Through a process called anaerobic digestion, microbes break down the waste in sealed tanks, releasing biogas, which is a mix of methane and carbon dioxide that can be used for cooking, heating, or electricity. Now to the process of producing this biogas. First, animal manure is collected and mixed with water to create a slurry. Then the slurry is fed into a biodigester, which is a sealed tank where anaerobic digestion takes place. Now in the digester, various groups of bacteria work in stages to break down this organic matter, from which a mixture of gases, mainly methane and carbon dioxide, is produced. After the digestion process, the remaining material, known as digestate, is a high-quality organic fertilizer that can be used to improve soil fertility. The benefits of biogas are huge. Some of them are: number one, free energy for cooking and lighting. No more spending too much money on gas or electricity. Number two, reduced reliance on fossil fuels. Number three, improved sanitation and odor control. Imagine if a lot of people, not just farmers, adopt this technology. Don't you think environmental pollution will reduce to a great extent? Let's think about it. Number four, organic fertilizer for healthier crops. Your crops will grow well and thank you for your kindness. So number five, lower greenhouse gas emissions. With this technology, renewable fuel will be more available for vehicles. In Africa, where energy access and waste management are major challenges, biogas systems offer a sustainable solution. They empower farmers, reduce pollution, and create new opportunities for agritech innovation. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Many biogas systems can be built using local materials and scaled to fit your farm size. Whether you are raising 5 goats or 50 cows, there is a solution for you. What do you think about this technology? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching till this point. Please like this video so that it can get to more people, and subscribe if you still haven't. See you in my next video. Bye.